Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Check your iPhone iOS and make sure you have enough Google Drive storage. Google accounts need free space. Once done, install Google Drive and Google One and sign in with the same account you plan to use. Then open WhatsApp and allow required permissions, contacts, photos, and microphone, so backups can include media. Make sure WhatsApp is updated. Older builds may not support external cloud features. This immediate setup prevents errors later and gets you ready for the core steps. You'll now perform the main transfer. Open a chat, tap the contact name, choose Export Chat, and decide with or without media. Media increases size quickly. Once exported, save the resulting zip or txt to files, then open Google Drive and upload the file into a dedicated folder. Make sure to compress large exports to reduce upload time and avoid mobile data charges. Use Wi-Fi. After upload, check file names and timestamps in Drive so you can find specific conversations later. You finish by restoring or keeping the backup safe. To restore, download the exported file from Google Drive into Files on the iPhone and use WhatsApp's import or manual restore options where supported. If not supported, use the file as a readable archive. If upload or download fails, retry on reliable Wi-Fi, clear the Drive app cache, or use Google One to manage backups. One key troubleshooting tip: if a transfer repeatedly fails, recreate the export and verify the zip integrity. Corrupt exports are a common cause of restore errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.